morning, good morning, good morning. This is a very good morning. I'm going to add a little bit more light in. It's just beautiful this morning. I went ahead and I styled my hair. Now, if you'd like to see how I achieved this look, then keep watching. Before I show you how I achieved this look, I want to thank my followers. I want to thank you for subscribing to my channel. I want to thank you for following me on Instagram. I want to thank you for liking my videos and sharing my videos. Now, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do. Click the subscribe button. Click the notification bell so that you will know when I upload videos every time. I am enjoying this. I am enjoying what I do. And I enjoy spending time with you. So just keep watching for how I achieve this look. Thank you. Now, you know I don't like my head to be flat. So yeah, this is what I have as a result of that. So this is how I achieved that look. This is a sister who loves her locks. I love my friends. I love my family. I love my subscribers and my followers. But I especially love God because He's been so good to me. He has been good to me. He has given me a brand new day with grace and mercy every morning. Thank you for watching.